In this video, we'll show you how to replace the printhead for your LG-P800 Label Printer. A few notes before we begin. Replacing the printhead uses ink. If your ink runs low or the maintenance cartridge gets full, the printer will pause and prompt you to replace them before continuing. Do not touch the printhead immediately after printing. It becomes extremely hot and may cause burns. Do not open the printhead pouch until you're ready to replace the printhead right away. The nozzles may dry out if the new printhead is left out for a while before installation. This may affect print quality. Always handle the printhead carefully to prevent the ink staining your hands and clothing. Let's get started. Select the setup icon on the home screen. Select Maintenance. Scroll down using the down arrow until you find Head Replacement. And then select it. Next, choose Start Head Replacement. Ink will now be drained from the printhead. This may take a few minutes. Open the top cover. If the printhead locking cover and printhead lock lever are dirty, use a damp cloth that you have wrung out completely to wipe them clean. Please don't use tissue paper, paper towels, rough textured cloth, or similar materials for cleaning. They may scratch the surface. Also, do not touch the linear scale or carriage shaft. Touching these may cause malfunctions. Review the instructions displayed on the operation panel before proceeding. Release the printhead lock lever. And then open the printhead locking cover. Remove the old printhead. Never touch the metal contacts on the carriage, or allow dirt or debris to fall or adhere to it. These may damage the printer. Select OK on the operation panel to proceed. Please review the instructions displayed before proceeding. A few important notes when installing the printhead. The printhead contains ink to protect the nozzles. Gently remove the orange protective cap to avoid ink splatter. Always carry the printhead by holding its grips. Never touch the ink inlet, metal contacts, or nozzle. This may damage the printhead and affect print quality. Install the printhead carefully, ensuring that the area previously covered by the protective cap does not touch the carriage. Close the printhead locking cover. And then lock the printhead lock lever. After installing the printhead, align the triangle pointer on the angle adjustment lever with the red square. Close the top cover when finished. Ink will now fill the printhead. This may take about 10 minutes. Printhead alignment is recommended after a new printhead is installed. Follow the instructions on screen to complete the printhead alignment. After printhead alignment, take note of any new notice warnings on the home screen. You may need to replace the maintenance cartridge or any ink tank that is depleted or running low. Please refer to the online manual for more information. Congratulations! This completes the printhead replacement for your Canon LG-P800 Label Printer. For more how-to videos, please visit our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.